Hey, welcome back to Flavor Station, you flavor chasing legend. Today, lasagna, TRoadz lasagna. Legendary grime MC hollered me, wanted a lasagna. So I obliged the situation. You see me? You see? Now, lasagna. TRoadz hollered me. If you don't know who TRoadz is, get a grip! What's wrong with you? Here's how it went. Stick around. Bam!
Ah, if it isn't the Prince of Grime himself. Sick.
Yeah.
Yo, listen, it's your boy TRoadz, Mr. Hitting with the Rhythm, Mr. Big Boy Bars, all of that, yeah?
Yeah, boy.
Listen, Flavor Station, I need you to cut me up the baddest lasagna right now, yeah?
Sure.
My belly needs to get full, so chef that up for man, yeah? Trust me, wash and push.
We're back again, flavor chasers. We're gonna need some tomatoes, an onion, 3.5, add it in the fridge, 5 cloves of garlic, stick of celery, chop all that, boom. Chop it nice and thick, knife skills, blood. We're gonna go straight into a pan with that veg mix, straight in there, nice and quickly. Now, curveball warning, warning, warning. We're gonna come with some ketchup, blood. 2 tablespoons of that, buff, straight in there. Trust me, next level flavor. This is Flavor Town, all-purpose oregano, mixed herbs, white pepper. Straight in with your white pepper, 1/2 teaspoon. Mixed herbs, 1 teaspoon. Yeah, boy. Oregano, 1 teaspoon. All-purpose seasoning, you don't know it's Dunn's River, 1 tablespoon. Yeah, boy. Mixer, give that a little combine. Now that's all sorted, bang your lid on and like this video for me. It helps in the algorithm. We're gonna smash it, flavor chasers rule the world. Right, little bit of boiling water in there, bang it on a high heat. And this ain't no dead Domio thing. Hashtag RIP Domio in the comments. I'm only playing Domio, you know I love you. Now all we're gonna do is just simmer it on a low heat for a good 10-15 minutes until it's all absorbed and cooked. As soon as it starts to stick like that, you want to get a little bit more water in there. See it there? Boiling water, warm water, doesn't matter. Give it a nice 15, 20, 10, whatever it takes. These are fresh tomatoes. See it there? We don't get things out the jar, bro. Look on this something. Now, once that's reduced down and sticky, wipe down, you nutty pig. Oh, induction, I'm gassed. Right, chili and garlic oil there, some lean minced beef. Soon as your pan's smoking hot, subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell, dude. Right, now we got our nice hot pan, browning the meat off nicely. You gotta make sure you brown it off good, high heat. Turn it down if you need to. It was a cold day, I had the window open. I swear to you, that is steam, not smoke. Now, this is lean beef, so it doesn't have much fat in it, which is good for me, because man's on the gain train, bro. Yeah, man. Browning the meat is extra special. Next thing you want to do, come behind with your ragu, put that straight in there. Let's create even more steam and block the camera. Lovely stuff. Now, as soon as that's mixed in, look at it, look at it. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful, isn't it? Oh my goodness, so flavorful. That's worth a like, isn't it? Now, next thing, we're gonna make the white sauce. Yeah, that's it. You heard it here. We're gonna make the white sauce. Butter, tablespoon, pan, hot, whisk. Yes, move, melt, make, roux. Don't buy jar sauce.
Nah, you don't do them things, man.
As soon as your butter's melted, you wanna come behind with some plain flour. 2 to 3 tablespoons. I'll show you how it goes. So you wanna mix that in. Careful not to cook it off. You wanna keep it on a low heat. But you want to make it so it looks kind of crumbly and like this. Look and learn, people, look and learn. Yeah, man, wipe down some OCD freak. I love this hot blood, it's so sick, practical. Now, come behind that, little piece of milk at a time. You can use skimmed, whole, semi-skimmed, don't matter. You know the best thing about making your own sauces? Hashtag Domio is dead in the comments. The best thing about making your own sauces, there's no emulsifying chemicals, there's no, you know, consistency problems, really. Like, it's just, nah, it's good, trust me. Keep adding milk till it's smooth, whisk, low heat. It's so easy. Just watch and learn, people. Watch and learn. It tastes so much better too. If you want to, you put some Dijon mustard in there, some black pepper, some salt, some garlic, some cheese even. Make any sauce you want, as long as you make it and don't be a dirtbag. Right, next thing, people, we're gonna layer the lasagna. I set that aside earlier, it's nice and cool now. I've got some lasagna sheets, could have made them, long thing. I know I just lectured you for about 10 minutes about why you should make your white sauce, but come on, I'm not a maniac. I'm not gonna make pasta every time the family wants a pasta, you know? Now, straight down with your bolognese / lasagna mix. Always put that on the bottom, because I feel the steam rises. Snap that off, fit it in. You can layer it up just like that, it doesn't matter, it's all gonna cook. Now, always put a little bit of sauce in the middle piece, just because, you know, I just do that. I don't know why. Maybe it's traditional, I don't know. I've always just done it. Maybe I saw it somewhere. Maybe I dreamt it. Maybe that was a dream.
It was all a dream.
I used to watch lasagna with the cream. Now, next layer of pasta, you're just gonna go pasta filling, pasta filling, pasta filling, pasta filling, cheese. You know the score. Up, down, left, right, X, X, RB, RB, circle, square, X. Unlimited money, baby. Yeah, man. So basically, now while I'm layering this up, might as well deep it. Channel's about 18 months old now, doing really well. I appreciate all you lot, all the likers, subscribers, sharers, everything. I see it, my analytics are nice. But we just need that little push, you know? It's gonna be a sick channel. I'm upping the equipment soon. New Year's gonna be a mazza, trust me. Got about 10-15 videos left for the year, then it's just gonna be a mad thing. I'm going hard, I'm going mad, I'm doing reviews, I'm doing everything. I'm gonna travel around, I'm getting collabs on, I'm gonna go into professional kitchens, the lot. So let me know in the comments any ideas you've got. The Flavor Chasers rule. My subscribers come first. Anything you want to see, anything you want replicated, cheddar. Back to the video. Cheddar cheese straight on there. Yeah, comment below anything you want to see. I'll take it on board, man. We'll make it together. It's sick, we'll collab. Yeah, whatever, man. Like, I love this game, you know? Yeah, and then just spread your cheese around. Lovely jubbly. It's a good old game we play. Yeah, man. And don't be stingy. Get some oregano on there. Little flavour. So your cheese is gonna melt. Oregano is gonna go in there. The garlic salt behind that. It's all gonna soak in, bubble away, and give you that lovely crust. See it there? Oh my days. Fast forward. In the oven. 180 degrees for a good 45 minutes. Don't open that door. Don't fast with the ting. 10 minutes, 15 minutes later, it's bubbling away. See around the edges? That's how you know the thing's set. Yeah? It's coming. You just gotta wait, be patient. Look, now that's cooked. Just makes you want to jump in it.
Parkour, parkour! Parkour!
Now that we're out the oven, let's have a look at this bad boy. Let's get a piece. Let's get a piece on the go. Oh, yes, boy. Come on. Look at that. Oh, yeah, man. Mission accomplished. Lasagna made from scratch. Almost. Apart from the lasagna sheets. With ketchup in there. I'm telling ya, I sees ya. She's tasty. Enough to feed anyone. Nah, man, it's been a pleasure. Listen, lasagna from scratch. Actually, I ain't going yet. Let's get another look. Let's let another... Oh, yes, man. That's better. Oh, my days. Look at the edges. I love the edges. Who loves the edges? We all love the edges. Now, I drove all the way to Brum to take this to TRoadz. Went through the ends. Went to his yard. Man weren't there. So, yeah. Yeah. He was there. He had it, though. He said it was playing. Thank you very much for watching, Flavor Chasers. Hit that to watch another video. Hit that to watch another video. Subscribe down there. No messing. Peace.